Just hit the road in the GX roadshow today in Greater Sydney, here with Matt.
Hey.
Between the two of us, we look after New South Wales councils, and over the next couple of days we're going to be in and around Greater Sydney and seeing all the councils and having some good conversations. Looking forward to it.
Let's hit the road.
Pulled up here with the GX Roadshow at Newcastle Airport to check out the Integra X bin enclosures and furniture that was installed at this new terminal. Just dropped in here at Apex Park. Got a heap of timber image city style furniture here, and it's been in for 5+ years, and as you can see, the timber image still looking like the day it was installed.
Well, it's been an interesting day in Western Sydney as these young fellas behind me go fishing in the river out here, out west, just reflecting on some of the great conversations with local government areas and the feedback. Some key points I took away from today was the need for public assets to evolve over time, longevity, ease of maintenance, aesthetics and vandalism are some key points that came up today. Also, the effect of technology on maintenance, such as barbecues with remote access, OHS with accessing grease traps. How do they spend less time maintaining these devices, but at the same time getting the best outcomes environmentally and for longevity of the device?